Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back to Semrow Farms. On today's episode, we are diving into some Nordic winter gardening folklore. This story that follows is called The Saga of Freya's Garden.
In the frozen northlands where the Vikings roamed, there lived a powerful chieftain named Bjorn, known for his bravery in battle and his reverence for nature. Bjorn's village thrived during the warmer months, but as winter descended with its icy breath, food became scarce, and survival hung in the balance. One winter, when the snow lay thick upon the ground and the winds howled like wolves, Bjorn sought guidance from the gods. In a vision, the goddess Freya appeared to him, clad in robes of shimmering snowflakes and crowned with a wreath of evergreen.
Chieftain Bjorn,
She spoke, her voice like the whisper of a winter breeze.
I will bestow upon you the knowledge to create sustenance for you and your people. You will be allowed to create a garden that flourishes even in the depths of winter. Take this knowledge of the gods back to your village and provide for your people. Be the leader they deserve.
With Freya's blessing, Bjorn set out to create a garden unlike any other. He enlisted the aid of his villagers, and together they constructed a greenhouse of sturdy wood and thick glass, shielding the plants from the biting cold. Inside the greenhouse, Bjorn planted an array of winter-hardy crops, kale, cabbage, and root vegetables, alongside herbs and greens. He tended to the garden with care, providing warmth from roaring hearths and nourishment from the remains of their dwindling food stores. As the long winter months passed, the garden thrived under Bjorn's stewardship. The villagers marveled at the bounty that grew within the greenhouse, a testament to the wisdom of their chieftain and the blessing of the goddess Freya. When spring finally returned, and the snow began to melt, Bjorn's garden stood as a symbol of hope and resilience. The villagers feasted on the fruits of their labor, grateful for the vision of their chieftain and the generosity of the gods. And so, the saga of Freya's garden lived on in Viking lore, a testament to the power of faith, perseverance, and the enduring spirit of nature in the face of winter's chill.
What do you think of this Norse tale? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned in for more gardening folklore. Make sure to subscribe to be notified when new videos are released. Until next time, from Semrow Farms, happy growing.